This excursion starts with some bees right in my backyard. We got some flower pots, and the bees are drinking it all in. Look at that pollen sac, how big it is. Now we go on to great blue herons. We have 3 clips here. One where it's sort of hunting, one where it's drying itself out, and one where it's delicately picking its way along the log so that it can get into a position to hunt. The green heron was flying right at me, then veered off and landed in a tree. And very luckily, it was a place that I could see it and get a picture. And finally, a clip with 2 turkeys wandering around foraging.